All right. Here he goes.
Do you think that pig lives here?
The pig?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, look how big is the pig.
Print for you.
Oh yeah, it's tied up here. Oh. Let's see what we've got, gang. Yeah, it looks like there's a good amount of glass here. Hello, Mr. Piggy. Hola, senor. Oh, found a marble. It is white. Oh, a red one. Oh, found a domino too.
Oh, nice. You got the camera on?
Yeah, got the camera on. Cool 6, multicolor.
Elsie, hey. Elsie, come on. Hey, Mr. Sea Glass Pig. How are you doing? Mr. Sea Glass? You got plenty, huh? Look at that big one, man. That's nice. What else? You don't like bacon? You love bacon. Be nice to him. Ooh, nice blue piece. Ooh, another nice blue up here by the scratchy pig. That's a nice one. Wow, that's a really nice blue. So pretty. You itchy, buddy? Alright. Yep. Keep looking around over here. See what we can find. This is a pretty cool beach. Never know when you're gonna find a new one. We just pulled up thinking this looks like a good spot. A lot of trash come down the hill. So possibly they've been doing it for many generations. And yeah, sure enough, tons of trash here. Not a great thing. And you know, usually when there's a few pieces here and there, we pick them up, but this is literally a dump site, so that makes it kind of tough. We'll have to come back here with some trash bags. But even then, they burn most of the trash here, so hard to say which one's better. How's it going, Zach?
Very good.
What you been finding?
Dominoes.
How many dominoes?
2.
Oh, I've never seen dominoes like that.
Oh, maybe 3.
Oh, man.
Tadu found her first domino. Pottery.
That's done. What do you think of this beach?
Pretty good. Definitely cool. Got a lot of good stuff.
Heck yeah. I saw a domino, but I missed
we're
it.
obviously the first people to come here.
Oh, for sure. For sure. Even the rocks are kind of pretty.
Agate, yeah. Is that agate or is it crystal? Quartz?
I don't know, it might be quartz. You found a marble too?
Yes, I did.
Dang, I didn't find any marbles yet at this one. I saw a domino over here somewhere. Alright, let's go check the next beach.
Is that a transformer head or is that, what's that?
Oh, it is a transformer. Cool. What else you get? Little.
I got some blues, some grays, little purple. Those are the 2 marbles that I got.
What's that say?
Some pottery.
Dishwasher, detergent, oven, USPA approved, made, and probably USA.
Oh, I didn't see the back of that. Right now.
I got some marbles.
That's the coin that now.
Whoa, that's cool. It's got some other colors in there.
Does it?
I don't know. It looks pretty cool to me.
Mango.
Cool.
On to the next one. Yeah, start backing it up. Crash it. Yep. Marble. Boom, boom, Domino, everybody. They have a really cool Dominoes here. You see them playing it on the streets all the time, so I'm sure they have gone through quite a few sets of Dominoes here in the islands. Another one. Look at you, all stoic. Where is Papa?
Another new beach. Yeah, Zach swim in there. He said it's pretty good. It's near than there's other places. Just 'cause there's nowhere for me to even put it. Ooh, look at that. Half a mark. LC's going around seeing what everybody's finding. Checking out what Zach's up to digging. He's having a good time. How many Dominoes did you find here, Zach?
I think 3.
3 Dominoes more. Wow. What do you got?
6 marbles.
You found 6 marbles?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Let's
see what you find.
You'll get your sea glass Domino collection pretty fast.
I think so. This is a great place for finding Dominoes. They must play that a lot here. Alright, so kicking down these little ridge lines. I see you having fun. I've seen some shoes around. You can play with one. She loves shoes and socks. Those are her favorite things. She goes into my laundry and pulls them all out. And she finds my shoes and shoes holes all in them. But she's just a little puppy. She's still got some training to do. So mostly at this beach, all we're finding is well, marbles, which is pretty sweet, and some Dominoes. Other than that, mostly just green glass, a little bit of white. Really cool stones. You can see lots of different agates and quartz. Birds flying above us. Got some dogs on the leg. There might be some good stuff here underwater, but you can see a little rougher right here, and also not as clear of water, so you can't really see in the bottom like you can in, let's say, Aruba or Bonaire. Because we are in a bay, Samana Bay, really big bay, but pretty dark water, very dark greenish. Once we go around the other side of Dominican Republic, we're facing the ocean, we're facing the Caribbean Sea, and it should be a little better, easier to see, better for snorkeling. But here, mostly going to be finding glass on the beach. You see big old piles here. It looks like Dominoes are usually up a little bit higher, just because I think they're a little lighter weight. They're ceramic as opposed to glass. So far we've found, I guess, about 3 decent beaches here for sea glass. Mostly Dominoes and marbles is good finds, but still pretty cool. Usually when you dig on the side of the beach with the bigger rocks, then you find bigger pieces, but less frequent pieces, and more pieces of pottery. Let's see what you're doing. You rock climbing? Get over here. Nice to wear these water shoes, and makes it a little easier to kick stuff around. Let's see, 10:53. Right, only got 1,000 steps today. You don't walk so much when you live on a sailboat, unless you come into shore, and we've been mostly swimming. All right, so I'm not finding a ton over here. There's probably a lot in the water, like I was saying, but you can see how dark it is. What about this kind of spot? You can just hang around and marbles will walk right up to you if there's that many of them here. And marbles, Dominoes, just pretty common things to find around here, because they played a lot of them, and especially in the Caribbean islands. Like Dominoes and marbles were a big thing. A lot of betting goes on using these, but essentially toys. But even adults used to play with marbles a lot more frequently than they do today. And you do still see people here playing Dominoes all over the place. Big crowds are out and watching. Kind of pretty neat. It's too bad they don't play marbles as much anymore. Find any more marbles?
I have 8 right now.
You got 8 right now.
Yeah.
Wow. All cat's eyes. A little bit awkward. Nice. What you got? Another marble for Zach. Let's see what you got, brother.
Cat's eye.
Nice. That's a good one. Heck yeah. Alright, so we're doing good here. Let's go see if we can find some more sea glass. Alright, fingers crossed. People stare at us so hard.
I know.
What the heck are these boys doing? Nothing, nothing. Nice rocks. Very nice rocks. Hi. Huh, not seeing any glass over here at all. Must be a little too far from the road for them to dump here. Oh, marble. Look, Elsie. Elsie, look. Look, right there. Look. Oh, you see the people? I'm not worried about them, huh? Well, either way, nice marble right there. Let's keep it going for the marbles today. It's crazy. Almost no glass at all. I mean, little pieces here and there. Like there's a decent green. A little bit of sea foam there. But most of what we're finding is dominoes and marbles. This is such a popular thing, man. Beach after beach. Looks like maybe a piece of a domino here. Yep, look at that. Piece of domino, Elsie. Oh, there's another marble behind Elsie. Look at that. Looks like Zach's going the other way over there. Got the dinghy anchored right in front of the and lots of local folks checking us out, probably wondering what we're looking for. There is a rock here called Larimar. It's a nice blue rock. And this is one of the main places in the world they mine it. And so they probably think we're looking for bits of that have been washed up. Can't imagine they think we're searching for marbles. So that's what we're doing. All these beautiful rocks. So pretty. Such a nice beach. So this is what we're looking for as I drive through the bay. We're looking for beaches that have rocks on the surface like this, that are about this size and consistency. Other places it's just sand, other places it's big rocks. And we find things that are about the size of the sea glass you're looking for, about the size of marbles, plus or minus. That's when you start finding the good stuff. And you can see there's these piles of these rocks, and guess there's marbles that's hidden in between. People used to shoot them with slingshots. People used to gamble with them, and just play with them. Popular for both kids and adults. Looks like a piece of Larimar right there. Look at that. Nice blue rock. What do you know? Elsie, check it out. Got some. That's cool. That's a keeper right there. Alright. See if we can find some more marbles and Larimar down here. Little bits of aquas. Got Zach at the helm now. He's gonna drop me off his boat. Okay.
I think this is supposed to be fresh water.
It looks like it's fresh water.
Out of here.
Dusty, don't fall off, they'll eat you.
Full on river flowing in here. Oh, it's not that. It doesn't go that much deeper, huh? It's just literally right there.
Yeah. This is freaking cool.
This is super cool.
You got the gun.
Can you shine it to where we're going? So I can see it in the water. Okay, there we go.
Elsie, look. Whoa. Oh, we found a pretty cool cave on the ground. All kinds of seashells. Just little bits of seashells. And then also some sea glass. We found a few good seafoam pieces. Got Taro there trying to climb up the walls. LC's chasing bats around.
Stalagmites grow faster because they're near the ocean.
Say what?
So do you think the stalagmites and stalagmites pipes grow faster here because it's near the ocean and there's probably more calcium in the rock.
Maybe. That is a fine theory, sir.
Dogs. Hello, dogs. Hi, dogs.